This is Anna, September 6, 2025. Before I graduate high school and college, I don't know how to talk English. Then I remember my auntie Julie, Miyang, her niece, Julian, Auntie Miyang told me, cousin of my mom Miyang, told her Julian, teach your cousin Anna how to talk English because I'm not heard that she talk English. Then the reason why I don't know how to talk English when I was graduated high school and elementary and college, then I buy before three computers. We have internet in our house before. I will use Apple DT, my DSL. Then there are lots of panghalo ko na din sa bakayim nag-vlog pa ko. There are lots of Indian and Turkey and American man who chat with me, who call me, chat with me, video call. Before we call that in the Yahoo Messenger a chat, not video call, but now we call it video call. Then I have friends, Adam Stanners. He teach me. He's from Hawaii, Honolulu. He teach me how to talk English. He call me every day. Then I have lots of friends, Turkey, Indiano, and I have also friends, American, European, older man and younger man. They will call me every day. Then I don't have work before. That's why I'm watching our internet before cafe in our house. Then they call me every day in the afternoon, morning, afternoon, whole day we will talk in the chat, video call. That's why I'm very proud of myself because of them, my friends in the foreigner. I know how to talk English now. Then I remember Ronnie told me, Anna, your English is wrong grammar. I don't know. I don't care if my English is wrong grammar. I'm very proud of myself that I know how to talk English. I can communicate the European or American or foreigners, other people because now I'm very proud of myself. I don't care if my English is wrong grammar as long as I can talk English because I believe 8 billion of men and women in this world, in this earth, and not all the women and men they really know how to talk English like me. I'm very proud of myself. Before I have a friends and Stina, she's come from Norway. When I was 18 years old, she likes me. He likes me very much. He's engineer. He's older man. Then because he likes me very much, and he asked my father, Sergio Bajano, why your daughter Anna and don't talk with me. She can't communicate with me because on that time I don't know how to talk English. Then my father told him, Steiner, my daughter Anna don't know how to talk English. That's why. So I'm very wish that someday I will know how to talk English. So I look for a person who teach me how to talk English because I know how to talk English only in the written, but in the like this talk English I don't know. So I'm very happy and thankful of my friends before Indiano, Turkish and European and Americano, but I don't chat Bangladesh, Nepal, I don't Pakistani, I don't chat them. I don't know why. Then I'm very proud of my friends Adam Stanners. He's American man. I'm very proud of my friends American man, European man, older man. They are Americano. American man, European man, Turkish, Indian, and older man and younger man. Thank you very much. You call me every day when we are living at the somewhere in Bulacau, Laguna. Then thank you very much. You call me every day. We have a chat in Messenger, video call. Before I don't answer their call because I don't know how to talk, communicate with them, how to answer with them. Then I told them, my friends in chat, foreigners, then that I don't know how to talk English. Then they will they will they will told me, oh, it's okay, I understand. You can action if you don't know what you're trying to tell us. Then for me, if you don't know how to talk English, you don't afraid. You really don't need to afraid. You try to yourself, your very self, that someday you will know how to talk English, so that if there is foreigner in front of you, then the foreigners did not know how to talk in the Cebuano Tagalog, mostly of them, then you can communicate with them, you can talk with them. Please don't be afraid your English is on grammar like me. I'm very proud of myself. because now I know to talk English. And if I met or I can see the foreigners or somebody else out there, if I met a foreigners, then I'm not afraid to talk with them because I know how to communicate with them. I know to talk English because you know what, my mom, Angie, and Tia Maripi, before when I was a kids, JJ, my eldest sister, and Ikris is my younger sister. We are three sisters. I remember before when my auntie Tia Maripi and my mom Angie, they will fight and quarrel to each other. Then they will talk English and we're not understand what they're talking about because we're kids of that time. Then we can understand what they are fighting for because my mom studied at San Carlos at mechanical engineer Tertiary College, and Tia Maripi also studied in Vélez College at BS Biology. Then they Tia Maripi studied at the high school at San Jose, and my mom studied in high school in San Carlos. They are fluent in English. They're good in English. And also Tio Dodong, even though he got in the high school life only, he's graduated only high school life. But I don't know Tio Dodong where got study in high school. But I'm heard before Tio Dodong, he's called me kasabaan ko niya, pinagalitan niya ako. Almost 3 hours yun, English speaking, and I can understand what he's trying to tell me. Nyara, wala pa ikandong, so balik lang. And I can understand what Tio Dodong Benjamin trying to tell me, scolding me, kasabaan ko niya, pinagalitan ko niya. Because at that time, I can understand how to talk English. Then I remember Tia Maripi and my auntie and my mom Angie, they will get fight to each other. They argue to each other. They are shouting and got fight. But Gigi and me, Chris, were listening with them. Then we can understand what they are trying to tell to their fight to each other. Because on that time we don't know how to talk English. We're so kids. Then I'm very feel envy of my eldest sister, Gigi, Maria Victoria Angelica, because he is smart woman. When she is in grade 1, her school and practical test, 100 for 100. That's why her teacher wants to adapt with her because she's so smart woman. Then, daghang siya mga papel guys, iuli sa mga kay siya pachikon sa maestra ba, kay siya may bright. Na bright namin siya lang study. That's why my elder sister is very smart, Gigi. She's fluent in English. She's in good English, good grammar. And also, yeah, my younger sister, Chris, Marie Chris Vicarido. She is fluent in English. She's good in English. And now, I don't know why, when I was high school, graduated high school and college and elementary, I don't know how to talk English. That's why one of my dream and wish, someday I will know how to talk English because I want to communicate other foreigners, Americano. I'm very wish of myself, I'm proud of myself. Someday I know how to talk English so that if I meet some foreigners, then I will not mukhang gaga or gago ba or tanga. I can communicate with them, but now I will not afraid if I met them foreigners because I know how to talk English na and I don't care if my English is wrong grammar. I'm very proud of myself. I can talk English. I don't care if my English is wrong grammar as long as I can talk English because I know most European and American man they will understand here in the Philippines when that's English is our not our um language only Ilocano or Tagalog or Cebuano like that. So for me, if you don't know how to talk English, you must go to the dating site. You must talk foreigner, any kind of foreigners, as long as they will talk English, then communicate with them, chat with them every day. So that someday, like me, almost 8 years, I will chat a friend foreigner, Turkish, European, Americano, older and younger man, and Turkish, Indiano. I will chat them almost 8 years. I have lots of friends before foreigners because sa una uso pang kambrag, tag, o messenger. Then dali ra kay ka maka-chat sa unang Amerikano tungod sa messenger ya karon wala na. Wala na ma-chat na nimo sila kung dating site siguro. Pero but I will not been there already in the dating site. Only in the messenger before Yahoo or Camprad like that or Tag. So I'm very happy that before we have Yahoo Messenger, there are lots of my friends out there, Indiano, Turkish, American, New Zealand. They will call me at my website, at my messenger. Then I will answer them. Then I will listen to their English. Then they will teach me every day how to talk English, how I communicate with them. So I'm very happy that Julian, there's no need for you to help me, to teach me how to talk English, because but now I'm very proud of myself, even though my English is from grammar, as long as I can talk English, because I believe that there are 8 billion of women and men, but not all billion of women, men and women can talk English, can communicate some foreigners. So for me, if you are beautiful, you must know to talk English, because so that I can tell you that what is beauty if the brain is empty. There are lots of women out there who are taller, pretty and sexier, but they cannot capable to to become a Miss Universe or Binibining Pilipinas, or Miss. They will not capable to join a pageant here in Philippines or international.